Welcome to Parro English. I am washing the dishes. I am washing the dishes. I am drying the dishes. I am drying the dishes. I am feeding the cat. I am feeding the cat. He is watering the plants. He is watering the plants. I am cooking breakfast. I am cooking breakfast. She is vacuuming the floor. She is vacuuming the floor. She is dusting the shelves. She is dusting the shelves. He is mending the door. He is mending the door. She is making the bed. She is making the bed. I am hanging the clothes out. I am hanging the clothes out. She is cleaning the door. She is cleaning the door. I am raking leaves. I am raking leaves. He is washing the car. He is washing the car. I am making coffee. I am making coffee. She is tidying up the room. She is tidying up the room. Sarah is clearing the table. Sarah is clearing the table. She is laying out clothes for tomorrow. She is laying out clothes for tomorrow. I am sewing a button on the shirt. I am sewing a button on the shirt. I am changing the pillowcase. I am changing the pillowcase. She is scrubbing the bathtub. She is scrubbing the bathtub. She is changing the bedsheet. She is changing the bedsheet. He is fixing the leaky faucet. He is fixing the leaky faucet. She is decorating the living room. She is decorating the living room. He is polishing the furniture. He is polishing the furniture. He is disinfecting the countertop. He is disinfecting the countertop. She is changing the light bulbs. She is changing the light bulbs. He is sweeping the porch. He is sweeping the porch. I am squeezing the orange juice. I am squeezing the orange juice. I am pouring orange juice into the glass. I am pouring orange juice into the glass. I am planting flowers in the garden. I am planting flowers in the garden. She is doing the laundry. She is doing the laundry. She is baking cookies. She is baking cookies. I am painting the wall blue. I am painting the wall blue. I am mopping the floor. I am mopping the floor. I am hanging clothes in the wardrobe. I am hanging clothes in the wardrobe. Mary is dusting the furniture. Mary is dusting the furniture. Mary is walking the dog. Mary is walking the dog. I am ironing the clothes. I am ironing the clothes. He is taking out the trash. He is taking out the trash. She is sorting the recycling. She is sorting the recycling. She is organizing the kitchen. She is organizing the kitchen. She is organizing the garage. She is organizing the garage. She is tidying up the living room. She is tidying up the living room. She is chopping vegetables for the salad. She is chopping vegetables for the salad. She is folding the laundry. She is folding the laundry. I am loading the dishwasher. I am loading the dishwasher. I am weeding the garden. I am weeding the garden. He is pruning the bushes. He is pruning the bushes. She is blending a smoothie. She is blending a smoothie. I am brewing coffee. I am brewing coffee. He is going to the market. He is going to the market. She is wiping the mirror. She is wiping the mirror. I am sorting the laundry. I am sorting the laundry. I am cutting the potatoes. I am cutting the potatoes. She is removing the cobwebs. She is removing the cobwebs. I am making a shopping list. I am making a shopping list. He is collecting eggs from the chicken coop. He is collecting eggs from the chicken coop. I am decluttering the closet. I am decluttering the closet. I am grinding coffee beans. I am grinding coffee beans. I am restocking the fridge. I am restocking the fridge. He is repairing the furniture. He is repairing the furniture. She is setting up the dining table. She is setting up the dining table. I am making a fruit salad. I am making a fruit salad. She is cleaning the fish tank. She is cleaning the fish tank. I am dusting the blinds. I am dusting the blinds.